Hello guys, and this is our cookout after the wedding.
Chef One's Kitchen!
Chicken, I love you so much. Every day you in it though.
So in the tradition, every wedding has to be cookout. It doesn't have to be something fancy. It's just a couple of friends coming over, cook as much. It's not even cooking, it's grilling. We decided to cook. As you can see, your chef, I was making some puff and everybody was so excited because they already watched the video. They know how my puff tastes. So everybody was all over that puff. It was such an amazing day, and see how the golden brown the puff is. I'm telling you, everybody enjoyed that cookout for Mr. and Mrs. Boakye Appiah, the newly couple. This was our way to show them love, or their way of showing us love. As family, we always have to come together and enjoy the cookout with friends and loved ones. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and as well as to let you know there was going to be a part 3 of this video. So I hope you get ready for that. There was so much food, everybody busy, people that haven't seen friends. Look how the Mrs. Boakye looks in her white dress. She looks so amazing. There was all friends from all over the states, all over the country that came to support our newly couple. Puff was going. I see my guy doing the tilapia. It smells so good. Look at her. Look at the newly couple eating going. Here she goes. She was enjoying. We have Jehovah one-legged was there to show some love, and there were cards going. Mr. Appiah was having fun with his friends, and my uncle was giving out the puff, and it was amazing. Look how happy she is. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do like the video, share. There was so much food. Our grandmother was making some homemade pancake the African way. Everybody was having so much fun that even it was at this world. There was game going on. You can see them, they were having so much fun. And again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. This is what was posted on TikTok. We are Akumahu Star, Mama Rose Mensa, aka Chewa. She was having so much fun, even though she came late, but it was fun. Look at Papa TV also having fun. See, the food was all over the place. Everyone was having a blast time of life. Look at the mother-in-law. Look at my sister eating cake. It's a cookout, so anything goes. And again, everyone was having so much fun. And I hope you like the video. Make sure you do subscribe. And I would like to thank you for watching my cookout video. Again, don't forget to tune in for the part 3 of the reception of newly couple Mr. and Mrs. Boakye. Hope you like the video. Make sure you do subscribe, share with your friends. This woman loved to have fun. As you can see, she was having so much fun. And I would like to say thank you for watching our cookout video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.